Okay, guys, sorry I just posted now. Just okay. Last, what I did, I moved the tunnel here. I actually I have 750 viewers, so that's like some digs. But last, I just digged 10 more. What I actually should I digged 664. But I actually should have just digged 654. Okay, but let me just dig 96 times. And remember, this is times 2. My hand is times 5, but I'm not going to use it now. And the time spoon is like times 1, but I'm never going to use it. I'm just going to use that spoon. And I cut roots with my saw blade. I will show you that, but maybe. And okay, 1. I'm going to pause the video and I will say if it is 6 digs. Okay, it's so for six digs. I will say if it's 700 digs. I will do it to 700 digs. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I maybe just gone overboard. I did 60 digs. 60 plus 670 is, I know that's an odd number. I just regret saying that, and I need 10 more digs because this is time 2. I will show you the end of the 10 digs technically, and I'm gonna do this for 10 days. And next, I'm gonna go do Roblox videos for 10 days. Yes, Roblox days for 10 days. And first it's gonna be Blox Fruits, but I'm gonna use it on my other accounts. I have lots of accounts. And guess what? I rolled a spirit today, and I couldn't even store it. I don't have one. It just my game just lags. I will show you in 10 digs. Technically just 6 now. Okay, this is the end of the result. I will cut these or make them like not anymore there, and these I will expand because I want to climb in here. But if 10 days are up and I don't have enough digs or views for to get like deep that I can get in, it's okay. I will do this again if I'm done with Roblox because I actually like this very much. And this is the final result. I will see you Sunday, or I post another video Sunday.